Thinking of what to make for dinner? Today I'm making an oven-baked spaghetti. It takes longer to be ready than the traditional way, but I can assure you it's going to be worth waiting for. We'll start by evenly spreading the uncooked spaghetti noodles in an oven dish. Pour the tomato sauce on top. Add minced meat if you so wish. Add sliced onion, garlic, Italian mixed seasoning, curry, and olive oil. This method of cooking takes longer, but the end product is much tastier. Now cover it with water so that it can obviously cook. Make your spaghetti this way when you are not in a hurry. We have to mix it really well to make sure that the spaghetti noodles don't stick together. Then cover and bake it in the oven. Around halfway, we'll take it out and mix again just to make sure it doesn't stick. Add grated cheese of your choice to add extra flavor. Put the dish back in the oven for the final touch. That looks very delicious. Now twirl your yummy spaghetti, serve and enjoy your dinner. I really hope you liked it and will try it too. I can't wait for your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please help us to grow by pressing the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. See you next time for another delicious recipe.